আমরা কিছু খেলা খেলি এই যে water, this is uncountable, you cannot count, right? So water everybody knows, pani, but if it is plus s, that is waters. Waters become seas. So water plus s, waters become seas, right? And you have uncountable noun wood. If you have added s, then it becomes woods. So this is forest, right? So forest, you understand. Information, it's uncountable, you cannot count. But what is important is if you put s, then it becomes officer. So he is an informations officer. If you go to British Council, you will find some informations officers. Little, very little, it's negative, not much, very little. So it's negative, right? But this is positive. A little, give me a little. And if you have, I have a little money, positive. And if you say I have little money, it means negative, almost no money. Few, negative. Few shirts, you have few shirts, it means almost no shirts. And a few shirts means positive, you have some shirts, a few shirts. Quite a few, you are supposed to have 5 shirts, but you have 20 shirts, then it becomes so many. So it should have been 5 to 10, but you have more than 20, it means quite a few. Among very few things, many things, quite a few. And this is some, you see, some. Some is, everybody knows, several, some, several, everybody knows, but some means about. Some means about. So, some means about 5 girls, about 5 boys and girls, some boys and girls, right? Some 20 means প্রায় 20টা, 19টা, 18টা, 21টা, 22টা, right? Okay. So here you see sweet. So his voice is sweet, but you can also write sweets. Sweets means mishti, rashogolla, and it should be sweet meat, right? Sweet meat. Sweet meat. So sweet meat is rashogolla, mishti. A bit, very little, tiny, bit by bit, একটু করে, তিল করে, little, bite, কামড় দেওয়া. So a dog bite, snakes bite, puffed rice, puff, cigarette যে একবার দম ছাড়ে, puff, 1 puff of cigarette. And puffed rice, that is, you see, muri, puffed rice. And you have fermented rice, that is panta bhat. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.